All right, so you're thinking about getting into woodworking. This is a great beginner kit to get started. You can see it's a really nice presentation. You get really everything you need to get started. They even include like 3 different templates here to go ahead and use on your blocks that they're going to include. You're going to get 6 wooden blocks here, which is nice. And first of all, the presentation with this, really cool. Get this nice storage bag that's just great. Buckles right up. Take this wherever you want. Sit down and start a new hobby. You're also going to get some gloves here to keep your hands protected. And you're going to get a lot of different tools. So you're going to get 4 whittling knives, 5 detail knives, 6 basswood blocks, which you got there. Like I said, the templates, your gloves, your leather strop here, and your compound. So you're going to use this. You're going to apply this, and then you're going to take your blades and you're going to rub them on here, and that's how you're going to keep those sharp. Really nice. It includes that. And you're going to get a nice instruction manual here to kind of guide you along and get you started. But you can see these tools, really nice detail, very sharp, nice handles. I love these handles, really comfortable in the hand. And you can see they're all the same way. Just really nice shapes and designs here to start woodworking. I'll show you all these because why not check them out? That's what you're going to get. These little guys here. See that? These things are so nice. So yeah, really everything you need here. Another really cool one. And be careful. Things are sharp. They give you the gloves. Gloves are nice, thick, comfortable. Maybe you got your own gloves, which is fine. But yeah, this is a great way to get started whittling wood. Kind of start a new hobby. Love wood. I mean, it's just cool, don't we all? I mean, if you're looking at this, you're somebody who just appreciates, wood furniture, wood artwork, anything. So yeah, I think this is going to work out for somebody that's really looking for a new hobby, wants to get started in wood whittling. So yeah, check it out.